Hey everyone, so this is our first trip really of the summer since the whole COVID thing's gone crazy. We are in the city of Chicago today. We were fortunate enough to score some early access tickets to the Shed Aquarium. So they're letting a limited number of people in at a time. We have an entry at 11, so we've got a few hours before or an hour before we can get in. So we're gonna wander around the museum campus here, and then we will be heading into the shed. So off to my left here we have the Field Museum, which is an awesome place to come hang out. And then over to the right is the Shed Aquarium. Our instructions said we had to go look for the man holding a fish. And
there he is.
So yeah, everybody's going in through the accessibility entrance.
And he's wearing a mask.
So there is our man holding a fish. And of course he has his mask on too. So we're sitting here in the shade, relaxing, waiting for our time to get in. It's beautiful. If you've never been to the museum campus area in Chicago, you've got the Field Museum, the Shed Aquarium, and the Adler Plantation. They're all in this one area. And there are bike trails and paths and gardens all over the area. And it really is very beautiful.
It's especially quiet.
Yeah,
right
that
now.
being said, it is eerily quiet. Now, it is a Friday morning instead of a Saturday morning, but still, this place is usually just packed
A lot of
in the summer.
tours,
Yeah,
camps.
yeah. So it's a little eerie almost, but it is beautiful. People are doing a really good job of social distancing and keeping their distance. We have been putting our masks on whenever we're walking around or when we're near anybody. And to be honest, when it's a little humid and it gets a little difficult to breathe in that mask.
And the sun moving.
Yeah.
There's joggers with their masks.
Yeah, we've seen joggers and bike riders with their masks on. I don't know how you could do that. But some of the food vendors are starting to open up. I see Chicago-style hot dogs over there, and there's a taco place here, and down over by the lake there was a snow cone place, and we might visit a few of those afterwards.
All of them.
Or all of them, yes.
The food vendors must not be open indoors.
Yeah,
It's just not
I'm
safe.
sure their cafeteria inside is closed. They are directing everybody to the accessibility entrance, and that's where we'll be heading in about 5 minutes or so.
Probably one way in and another way out.
I'm guessing, yeah, one way in, one way out.
Have a great day.
Thank you. I've never been in this way. It's not nearly as exciting as when you come in the main doors. You got that big glass fish tank right there. silverside. Slender little silversides move quickly through clear water as they turn their silvery stripes, catch the light, confusing predators about which way they're going.
Yeah, they're going every direction. I don't know if they want us to slide it down.
I think they're all the same thing. I think they're all frogfish.
Different type though. It's not just a different color. It's got a different shape. Wow.
Okay, so we're in the first of probably many gift shops here, and I am looking for a magnet, and I haven't seen anything yet. I did see some really cool stuff. Sweatshirts, globes, keychains, cups. No magnets yet. So the search continues. Okay, so we are headed to the Stingray Touch area, and we're going to explore there a little bit. Yeah, make sure you maintain one dolphin's length between yourself and others. So we just finished up inside the aquarium. Still beautiful out here. The sun's out. We look out at the harbor, we can see it's full of boats now. Just a beautiful day to be outdoors in Chicago. So now I think we need to find a little bit to eat. And yeah, sanitize our hands. So let's go find something to eat. And maybe some shade to sit in. So I ended up getting the Shed Aquarium beluga magnet, and that will go in Prudence. And then I had a Polish, which was delicious, and Paula went for the walking taco, which looks like it's pretty good.
Very messy.
And so we're gonna relax a little bit, and then I guess we'll probably head back home, take our time. Maybe we'll run across something interesting on the way.